I want to show you how to flip and rotate videos in Premiere Pro. To rotate your video, highlight your clip and go over to Effect Controls. Now modify rotation until your video looks the way that you want, and we get the first result. If you want to flip your video instead, go over to Effects and search for Basic 3D and add the effect to your video. Now, under Effect Controls, scroll down to Basic 3D. To flip your video vertically, click on Tilt and Swivel. The stopwatch icon will appear. Move your timeline slider a few seconds ahead and modify the value of tilt and swivel to 90 degrees. Then move your timeline ahead 1 second and change the value of tilt and swivel to 360 degrees. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.